Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class of AI. Today, we are going to learn chapter number 10, that is Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Like we have discussed in the previous meet, that from this week onwards, we are going to start hands-on exercise that is practical on Python programming language. So, this time, this syllabus contains this option. This is Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. So after this learning this chapter, you will understand about Anaconda, distribution of Anaconda, how to install, how to launch, about Jupyter Notebook, interface of Jupyter Notebook, as well as some examples of Python in Jupyter Notebook. So till now we have discussed how to run simple Python programs using Python shell or IDLE. Yes, you remember in class 9 we have done. So now this is Anaconda distribution. Anaconda is a free and open source. Free and open source means this is freely available. You can download this from internet and no need to purchase. And then open source distribution. You can distribute it. Okay. Or any subpart or any project or model made by the Anaconda, you can distribute it without any charges or fee. Of the Python programming language for scientific computing. Scientific computing involves data science, machine learning, application, large scale processing, predictive analysis, etc. that aims to simplify package management and deployment. Anaconda Navigator is a desktop graphical user interface. Once again, we got it. That is graphical user interface. That means you are communicating using graphics. Included in Anaconda distribution that allows users to launch applications and manage Conda package environments without using command line. It is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac, not for Android and iOS. The following applications are available by default in Navigator: Jupyter Tab Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Qt Console, Spider, Glue, etc. How to install Anaconda? To install Anaconda, what you have to do through your Windows laptop, desktop, or Linux or Mac OS, MacBook, etc. Just open anaconda.com/distribution. Clear? Scroll down to the bar with the OS name. Click on the Windows from the bar. Okay. Used under the Python 3.7 version. Select the version on your computer configuration which you want. It's 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, done. Then after the download, click on the installer or start to install. Next, read the license just for me or everyone who uses computer. Destination folder if required. C drive, programming file or something else. Program files. Or if you want, you can change the path. But do not change anything in the path option. Click on install. This is the figures. So by going through this step, you can install it. How to start working on Anaconda? After the installation is done, after the installation complete, you can spot the Anaconda software by searching in your Windows. Just type Anaconda, okay, and you will be able to find this application in your desktop or laptop. Jupyter Notebook is a good tool using which you can integrate code, its output, other text, and graphs conventionally within a document. Are you getting my point? Jupyter Notebook allows you to integrate code, the program you have written, output of the program, and other text as well as graphs with the same document. So it's become easier to keep a record. Basically, in the same screen, you are able to check the output, your code, as well as graph. Okay, so this is a better feature. Python is the most commonly used language for this notebook. It is possible to use many other programming language for use with Jupyter. Like we are going to use Python programming language in Anaconda or Jupyter Notebook, but it might possible you can use some other programming language like C, C++, etc. You can even include raw text into a notebook and it shows up as HTML code output. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, especially designed for web page development. It lets you do your work related to Python in an interactive manner. The user interface of Jupyter Notebook is also intuitive and easy to follow. It helps in situations where within one document itself Python code, output, equations and other charts are included. Now, how to install Jupyter Notebook? As you have read earlier, Jupyter Notebook comes installed with Anaconda. So this is a part of Anaconda. Okay, so you can directly start using this notebook after the installation of Anaconda. The output of the notebook is in the form of web page. You can install offline copies of both docsanaconda.com and enterprise docs.anaconda.com by installing the Conda package. This is the one package and this is the another package. So this is Jupyter Notebook. New notebook, open, make a copy, save as, rename, the same file menu options which we got in each and every program basically. Then view menu. The view menu is useful for changing the visibility of the header in the toolbar. Insert menu, cells, converted code, output, raw text, HTML, whatever you want to insert, you can insert from there. Cell menu, this is useful, lets you run all cells in the above cell. Kernel menu, widget menu, and help menu. This is the layout of Jupyter Notebook. So icons is also given there. Save icon, add icon, cut, copy, paste, shift up, shift down, run, stop, restart and run all, command palette, and this is code. So this is the basic concept of Jupyter Notebook. And this is some example of using Jupyter Notebook. We have write in print hello world, print hello to the world. Okay, this is done and done. This is the output and this is the code. So what we have learned today, Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python programming language for scientific computing. Anaconda Navigator's desktop provide you a GUI options. It's easier to manage. And Jupyter Notebook is a good tool using which you can integrate code with its output, other text and graphs conventionally within a same document. Clear? So now we are going to install Anaconda. So what we have to do first, just click on this link. But link is not working. So what we will do, we are not able to copy it. This is a PDF file, hopefully copy, done and paste. Oh, some network issue. Just wait, I'm going to use hotspot. This is done. Now click on refresh. Anaconda. This is individual edition. Then 4 windows, download, keep. This is on the way. 500 MBs, so it will take some time to download it. Okay, and then we are going to start it. Until then, I'm going to pause my video. Okay, install. This is welcome to the Anaconda 3 2021.5 64-bit. This is type of OS you are using. It may be 32-bit or 64-bit. Next, I agree, just me. This is for only you. Basically, the you means the user by which you are yet login. Okay, so the person who have yet login will be installed for that person only. If all user, then it will be require admin ID and password, and it will be installed for everyone. So choose just me. Next, this is a path. Keep it. Continue. Done. And register Anaconda as by default Python 3.8. If it's installed, then okay. Else you require to install Python. And this is going on. It's done. Clear. So अभी हमने एनाकोंडा जो है हमारा इसमें वो इंस्टॉल कर लिया. And this is basically readme file. Now search anaconda here. Anaconda. This is anaconda, no? Navigator. All apps. ठीक है. Then this is Jupyter Notebook. Open it. This is beta Jupyter Notebook. From now we will start doing some practical. So बाकी next thing we will do it later on. Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so this is the introduction of this chapter. It's Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook, and then we'll go through it first, and then we'll provide you a demo how it works. Okay, till then, if possible, if you have a desktop laptop, install it and use it. Okay, if not, then not an issue. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, we'll start Python programming language and doing some programs in Python.